Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how probiotics help you lose weight. Probiotics are tiny, beneficial bacteria that live in your gut, playing a crucial role in overall health. A healthy gut microbiome, rich in these good bacteria, can significantly impact your metabolism and how your body stores fat. We'll explore how specific probiotic strains can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey, potentially helping you shed excess pounds and improve your body composition. Probiotics work in several ways to support weight loss. They enhance your digestive system's efficiency, ensuring better nutrient absorption and waste elimination. Additionally, these beneficial bacteria can influence hormones that regulate your appetite, helping you feel fuller for longer and potentially reducing cravings. Certain strains also have the ability to decrease the amount of dietary fat your body absorbs, meaning fewer calories are stored. When choosing a probiotic, look for supplements that contain a diverse range of strains, especially those from the Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium families, as these are often linked to weight management. Aim for products with at least 10 billion CFUs, or colony-forming units, to ensure you're getting an effective dose. Don't forget to incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and kimchi into your diet for natural support. To truly maximize the benefits of probiotics for weight loss, it's essential to combine them with a balanced, healthy diet and consistent physical activity. Remember, probiotics are a supportive tool, not a magic bullet. Taking them daily and consistently is crucial for establishing and maintaining a healthy gut environment. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including smart home devices that can help streamline your daily routine and enhance your living space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.